Welcome back to the Jurist Prudence Channel, the home for summarized case laws, legal definitions and procedures. This is the third episode of Law Careers with TJP, and we'd like to send a shout out to our returning and new subscribers. If you're into law, feel free to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming informative videos. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: public prosecution in South Africa. Public prosecutors play a crucial role in the justice system, and we'll be delving into what they are, what they do, their function, scope, and how one can become a public prosecutor in South Africa. Let's start with the basics. In South Africa, a public prosecutor is a legal professional responsible for representing the state in criminal cases. They act as the voice of the prosecution, ensuring that justice is served and the rule of law is upheld. Public prosecutors are vital in securing convictions against individuals accused of committing crimes. The primary function of a public prosecutor in South Africa is to review evidence gathered by law enforcement agencies and decide whether to initiate criminal proceedings against an accused person. Once the decision is made to prosecute, they present the case in court on behalf of the state. Public prosecutors are also responsible for evaluating the strength of the evidence, interviewing witnesses, and working closely with the police to build a solid case. They must act impartially and ethically to ensure that the rights of both the accused and the victims are protected throughout the trial. Now, you might be wondering how to become a public prosecutor in South Africa. The South African National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, offers an excellent program called the Aspirant Prosecutor Program for law graduates aspiring to become prosecutors. This program provides aspiring prosecutors with practical training and experience in the field of prosecution. Candidates undergo rigorous training, which includes courtroom experience, legal research, and case preparation under the guidance of experienced prosecutors. To be eligible for the Aspirant Prosecutor Program, candidates usually need to have completed their LLB degree or equivalent qualification from a recognized university and must meet specific criteria set by the NPA. Let's back our discussion with some legal authorities. The role of public prosecutors in South Africa is governed by the National Prosecuting Authority Act of 1998. This legislation outlines the powers, functions, and structure of the NPA, ensuring that the prosecution process is fair, transparent, and accountable. Additionally, the Constitution of South Africa, particularly Section 179, establishes the NPA as an independent body, separate from the government, to uphold the rule of law and administer criminal justice. That's it for today's episode of Law Careers with TJP. We hope you now have a better understanding of what a public prosecutor is in South Africa, their essential functions, and the Aspirant Prosecutor Program offered by the National Prosecuting Authority. That wraps up this episode of Law Careers with TJP. We hope you enjoyed the legal rollercoaster ride. We have created a WhatsApp group to share legal opportunities with our fellow legal enthusiasts. If you're a law graduate or about to graduate and looking for law job opportunities, find the link in the description. Remember, the law is like a vast ocean, there's always something new to explore. So, hit that like button, share the legal love, and of course, subscribe for more entertaining legal content. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode. Remember, at the Jurist Prudence, we bring the law to life. Stay curious and stay informed. Goodbye.